To reach a guest, press 1. To make a new reservation, press 2. To change an existing reservation, press 3. For directions, press 4.
Oh.
To reach the front desk, please press 6 or stay on the line.
Like, sure is bossy.
Having a wonderful day, Restaurant Bucket. Jessica speaking, may I assist you?
Hey, Jessica, how are you? Listen, I'm doing DoorDash. The manager asked me to bring a nice turkey dinner over to you guys, and I just wanted to make sure you're the guys on Druid Hills, right?
The manager asked you to bring us a turkey dinner?
Yeah, it's not a full turkey. It's just like a little sliced turkey breast and some stuffing. It's already paid for. So I just want to go ahead and bring it on by and give it to you guys.
To us?
Yeah. They said bring it on by and you guys were gonna have it.
Oh, I don't even eat turkey. I'm the only one here. Are you sure?
Yep. They said to bring it on through. I got some nice pecan pies and a sweet potato pie. There are a couple slices.
Oh. Okay.
All right. Did I have the right address?
Yeah, what address do you have? That's what I want to make sure.
Oh, I have the one North Road, northeast.
Yeah, that's us.
All right, hang on a second. Let me put it in the GPS and see if the GPS has it. And I'll tell you about how long until I get there. Let's see here. Oh shit! Oh, I'm in the wrong turn.
Sir, do you need me to call the police? Hello, sir. Sir, where are you located? Sir? Oh my God. Sir, are you okay?
Vagina pussy.
Fucking drunk pervert motherfucker.
What?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello?
Ma'am.
Sir?
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Sir, are you okay?
I just picked up this guy's phone, man. I think I'm gonna steal it. He's out cold. I'm gonna take his phone.
What?
I'm taking this guy's phone and his wallet. Holy shit! There's like $60 in here.
She just hung up on it.
Wow.
That was the best reaction ever.
Oh my God.
that was executed perfectly.
She bought it hard.
I wish there was chickens though.
Dwight, the execution on that was flawless.
Oh, that was funny. Oh, I found the car bypass sound that was making it even better when Garby was sitting there. I found his phone. I'm like,
Dude,
just driving by this big wreck.
Too.